3D printing is the future, but running a network at scale can be a total mess. The constant stream of job requests, incompatible software, the spiraling admin costs, the ever-present security risks. So we fixed it. 3D Printer OS is the unifying 3D print management software that's compatible with more than 200 printer models and can be deployed on a local server or private cloud. So any organization can achieve the highest possible standards of efficiency, security, and cost reduction. That's why the likes of NASA and Google have used our software for over 10 years to fully harness the technology that is shaping the future. With 3D Printer OS, enterprises, schools, universities, libraries, and makerspaces can allocate print limits right from a web browser. And with automated job notifications, students won't need to keep checking in. They just head to the lab when their job is finished. 3D printer manufacturers can focus on building their machines and hitting sales quotas, while white labeling their own version of our software for their users. Companies can manage 3D printing and oversee usage data across multiple locations with one easy-to-use central system, saving time and money. And our seamless integrations allow enthusiasts to print pioneering prototypes right from their couch. So whether you're the US Navy or you've got a big idea on a laptop, we can help you to overcome the practical complications that stand between you and true 3D print innovation. Talk to one of our experts today.